My name's Seth and what I have is a 2008 Caterpillar 257B track skid steer loader with cab heat, air, and a hydraulic quick attach. I'm going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Okay guys, now we're going to walk around this machine real quick and take a look at the major components. It's got a really nice bucket on it, smooth bucket, low profile GP. It's got the hydraulic quick attach, which is really nice. You can take any attachment off from inside the cab. The undercarriage is in excellent shape on this machine. The tracks are really nice, the rollers are good. There's a few nicks and whatnot. These roll cages are loose and they're all tight as far as the play and the bearings. Really nice undercarriage. Sheet metal's in good shape all around the machine, as you can see here. Here's your serial number plate. Here's inside the engine compartment. The engine on this machine is really powerful. It starts up and it runs and it operates excellent. The lights all work on this machine. Here's the other side, the undercarriage. It's in excellent shape. You can see here. I'll go inside the cab. Hey guys, here we are inside the cab. The seat's in excellent shape. The air works, the heat works, all the functions work inside the cab. The vents and everything are in good shape. Here's all your buttons. This machine has 644 hours on it. Okay guys, thanks for viewing the video. I really appreciate it. As you can see, this is a very nice machine. It's in excellent operating condition. If you need any help with shipping quotes anywhere in the country or around the world, just let me know. I can also help you out with financing. I have a company I deal with on that. And all that's in the description below. And you can like the video, share it, comment, and I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot guys. Have a good one.